Now we're going to take a look at the product information inside of OnSite Estimator. Move your mouse over to the chart, click on the product information, and you'll notice that the product editor comes up. The product editor is where your database resides, and we'll go over these icons at the top. Your disk icon is where you can save changes that you've made to your product information. Then you have 4 product displays. One is your product details, which is the display that we are seeing right now, with your SKU, your description, units, catalog, and where you can add image files. The next one is your product pricing. This will show you your SKUs, your description, your cost, and your 5 retails that you can put in. The next one is going to be your product dimensions. Important note on product dimension is that for all door slabs, casing, jambs, hinges, trim products, those all require dimensions, as those are used in calculations for your door takeoffs. Your next display is your product categories. This is where you will be assigning your products into categories that will show up on the MVP app. Your next 2 icons are sorting records and searching for records. The 2 icons after that are grayed out, a plus and minus, where you can add or delete products. Those can only be done when you are in the display product categories. You'll notice that they are not grayed out anymore. Next to that, you'll see a couple of charts that look like an arrow up and an arrow down. This is where you will import and export products. The main one is going to be import. This is where you can bring over your database from your point of sale or from an Excel template and put all your information into this database without having to key every piece and every product and every SKU. The icons to the right of that will be explained in further detail on another tutorial.